Going on today? Chilly little Sunday afternoon. Gonna go out and do a little riding with Ryan Powers from Fun Unlimited, Polaris, of course, and Corey Daniels is probably gonna go out with us as well. And I think it's just gonna be the three of us, unless Taryn comes up. He might. Hard to say. Knowing him, he's probably still in bed sleeping like a little baby. But yeah, gonna go up, hit the dunes for a bit. Kind of want to play around with the Scrambler just a little bit more before everything takes place, because we're getting right down to the wire, and soon enough all the stuff will be in and she'll be torn apart and all the upgrades will be going on, and it won't be quite the machine that it is right now as far as speed and agility and handling and all that stuff, because it's going to be for mud. So yeah, we're going to go to the dunes, play around a bit, kind of want to put it through its paces a little bit more without, you know, any rush to get out of there. That's kind of the whole point of going there today. We're not doing the group ride, we're not doing the poker run. We're going up there. It's just going to be the three of us, maybe four of us, and there's not going to be a time limit. We're going to go there, we're going to do what we want to do, I'm going to do what I want to do, and we're just going to enjoy the time. So hope you enjoy. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you liked or didn't like. Those are all the things I look for. Helps me make the videos better. And yeah, thanks for watching. All right, to the dunes we go. Finally getting Ryan out there with his Scrambler 500 that he redid. It's looking pretty good. You don't find too many machines of that age that look this nice. And I'd be curious to see how it performs out in the sand. My gut feeling is it's actually going to be pretty wild to see. I can see him getting some pretty good jumps on the old girl. I know we're going to get some good jumps on this girl, so I'm ready for that. Good old Newton Falls Volunteer Fire Department. Always got to give the support to those guys, any volunteer organization that is. If it wasn't for those guys, well, you wouldn't have a fire department. Alright, time to pick up some speed. We can let them get ahead and then we can... On our way back, I'll have you get next to me and we'll see how fast it is. Yeah. So now I gotta go catch them. Yep, I definitely gotta go catch them now. Can't just let them take off like that, little bastard.
So I guess I'll head back to the house and take a bath and bleach. Quarantine, quarantine, drinking whiskey like vaccine. Waving at the neighbors, social distancing. Quarantine, quarantine, wearing Lysol like sunscreen. Quarantine, quarantine, oh lonesome quarantine. Dunes. All my anti-hunting
Turkeys are out.
Definitely no sport quad. Oh my god. That thing beats the living fuck out of you.
Hurts a little bit?
Oh yeah. 44% it says.
We're good.
Okay, it's recording. Okay.
Feel the devil on my back. I keep on running. I keep on running. Feel the heat under attack. I keep on fighting. But I can hear the Reaper calling my name. Bless my soul, my time is coming. Oh Lord, don't let me alive. 'Cause everybody wants to go to heaven. Nobody ever wants to die. Nobody ever wants to die. Nobody ever wants to die. The fire, lead the flame, and I'm not stopping. No, I'm not stopping. I rise again. Oh, and keep on fighting. Bless my soul, my time is coming. Oh Lord, don't bury me alive. 'Cause everybody wants to go to heaven.
If I bring the GoPro, or the GoPro, if I bring the drone right down to there, which one do you think would be the better jump?
That one's better. It's more controlled for fast jump.
That one is?
Yeah.
So let me
I can hit it faster. It's more smooth. See right here, you don't want to hit it too hard because you go straight up.
the drone's
Yeah.
right there.
Okay, I'll start way back there and get some speed.
And then we'll do one more.
You want me to go that way and you come this way?
Well, I'm going to follow you up the moguls this time instead
Okay.
of coming at you.
Okay.
Did you get it?
Get the whole ass end up. I was gonna say there's so much suspension travel. I'm probably not that far. I don't know how high you get with that. It's kind of like you get a good shot down.